Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix freezing and stuttering issues in Mortal Kombat 1. So first is to open the NVIDIA control panel and then select the Manage 3D Settings option. Then click on the Program Settings tab and then under the Select a Program Customize section, find or add Mortal Kombat 1 to the list. Then change the max frame rate to 60 FPS and then turn on the vertical sync option. And then change the power management mode to prefer maximum performance. And for the minimum system requirements, we have the processor and operating system, which is 64-bit, OS Windows 10 64-bit, processor is Intel Core i5 6600, AMD Ryzen 7 3100 or Ryzen 5 2600, and for the memory is 8 GB RAM, and for the graphics, we have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 980, AMD Radeon RX 470 or Intel Arc A750 for DirectX version 12, and storage should have 100 gigabytes of free space on your PC. Now for the recommended system requirements, we have the processor and operating system, which is 64-bit. OS is Windows 10 over 11 64-bit. Processor is Intel Core i5 8400 or AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. Memory should 8 GB RAM, and for the graphics should be NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti and AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT or Intel Arc A770. The Director X should be version 12 and storage should 100 gigabytes of available space. And those are the things that you should do in order to fix the issue. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.